Mm.
Hi, our project title is GPS tracking system. Today we are going to tell about the GPS tracking system. I'm going to give you a brief introduction about the GPS tracking system and its portion types. A GPS is essentially contains a GPS module that receives the GPS signals and calculates the coordinates. Uh, for uh, for data loggers, it contains a large memory to store the coordinators. GPS innovation is an incredible shelter to any individual who wants to explore either extraordinarily or little distances. Data pushes additionally contain a GSM or LTE modem to transmit this information to a certain computer, either via SMS or GPRS in the form of IP packets. The applications of the trackers of the data pushes are three types: personal GPS, asset tracking, and aircraft trackings. In asset tracking, we can see the two types. It's solar powered and battery powered. In such a way, the GPS runs on the solar power and the battery power. If you see in a car, the GPS is run through the solar power. And satellite-based GPS tracking units will operate anywhere on the globe using satellite technology such as Globestar or Iridium. These type of satellite-based tracking units doesn't require any cellular connection. This great route innovation was readily accessible for government use back in the 1970s. The GPS is a radio-based route system that gives three-dimensional inclusion of the Earth 24 by 7 in any weather conditions throughout the world. The GPS innovation has a colossal measure of applications in geographical information system, information gathering, looking over, and mapping. Now, about the GPS positioning types, there are two GPS positioning types. One is absolute positioning type, and another one is differential positioning. One absolute position, it means the method of positioning depends upon a solitary collector station. It is likewise suggest to as a standalone GPS on the ground that in contrast to different positioning, and is second one is differential positioning. Uh, it is also known as a relative GPS. Relative or differential GPS conveys triangular standards above and beyond within a secondary beneficiary at a realized reference point. Now, the purpose of that topic will be continued by my other teammates.
I am going to tell about the purpose, features, overview, and scope of GPS tracking. The purpose of GPS is created to upgrade positioning system. The creation would be decent methodology now onwards for those which utilizes positioning modules. It works on the web and with least exchange of bundle utilizing basic socialization. It arranges and positions on Google Map is displayed within no time. The features of the GPS tracking, it was proposed system will plan to automate and dispense with every one of the downward sites that existing system has. The proposed system will spare networthy measure of time and exertion contribution by the GPS equipment for position. It expends low memory. It can take a shot at cross stages, gives the two facilities just as pictorial portrayal in such a little execution occasion. The scope, this is basically a leap forward. This a leap forward to accomplish the integrity on different stages. The vast majority of the different stages underpins HTML like PHP can be coordinating with part of HTML. HTML and JavaScript can be used together. Thus, it has an incredible breadth, doesn't confine itself within few stages. It can be incorporated with numerous others, as it is web app and mobile app based preview. The overview of this application is geolocation API and Google API. In geolocation API, the geolocation is application programming interface for the recognition of the area of the gadget on which the code executes. Presently, the inquiry arises the stuff of contention. Appropriate response is the IP address primary key placed for the discovery of the area. The socialization sent is on the basis of representation state transfer REST administration of the system which depends on the convey given by the program. Further, these administration empower the authentication in order to give further a protected access. In the Google API, it is the most ace with regard to open source innovation. It's similar angle that is used in the application. It uses the information parcel that has been encased and sent by means of bearer, and later on the parameters sent are used to embroil the area on the Google map. The area shown is finished with a marker. The precision of the area roughly exacts in 20 meters, which was middle thought of the project.
Existing system. At present, we have a plan has been executed to discover, and the purpose we come to existing system that has where a plan has been executed to discover the arranged vehicle tracking systems by using GPS, executed structure and compromises of mobile united base station. Versatile unit comprises of GPS module, GSM, modem and microcontroller. Base station comprises of modem and display unit. GPS modem utilized for gathering vehicle area, modem utilized for sending. In base station, modem gets message which gives the vehicle area information. It is completely founded on an outside equipment which is ought to be purchased. Proposed system. We are going to develop a system which is based on Android technology where all the persons can track everywhere based on the hierarchy. It can be set as family tracker and multi-purpose family helper. We don't need an external hardware as mobile. This system will be used for multi-purposes like monitoring, kit monitoring, family locator, etc. Coming to the technologies used, there are four backend, front-end, software and browser. For front-end, we used Java, Small and Gradle. Backend, we used IP address HTTP request, and software used is Android Studio. Browser, we can use any. Operating systems used is Windows 6, and system requirements are hardware requirements, programming requirements, Microsoft Windows XP or Mac OS X later, and browser IE, Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, etc. And target hardware requirements are Snapdragon processor, 256 MB RAM or higher, and 1 GB HDD or higher. And target software requirements are Android from above 4 and should bolster Java. And coming to the conclusion, GPS is a system of satellites that consistently transmit coded data, which makes it convincible to accurately recognize areas on Earth by estimating the separation from the satellites. GPS is in spite of the fact it was produced by military purpose, but then the quantity of non-military personal clients of GPS effectively well for the potential military. And then if we are able to continue an Android product which connects to the group of family members and social service to base themselves, all the information uploaded and retrieved by application, this would become a great achievement to complete. And the screenshots will be shared.
This is our GPS tracker network track. It was available in Play Store, and the interface of the system looks like this. Network track, create a family. I have to invite code, and if you enter code and you make your join and you make your family members join, they can track your position. Thank you.